It's not that you don't like your hair. It's just that you don't like it in the condition that it's in. It's dry, it's dull, it's matted, and it's unmanageable. So of course you don't like doing your hair. You don't like wearing your hair. But what if you can have longer hair, thicker hair, softer hair, more manageable hair? How would you feel about your hair then? Would you still complain about the density and the diameter or the curl pattern? Or would you adjust and start to love and actually like your hair? Hey curl friends, and welcome back to Cocaknotz, home of the Long Hair Society. If you are not a member of the Long Hair Society and you desire bigger, longer, thicker, stronger hair, well, all you have to do is subscribe and become a member. And guess what? Your hair gonna start growing because energy flows where attention goes. And if you're paying attention to my videos, you best believe you're gonna start retaining some length and them curls gonna be popping. Speaking of popping, my client in the chair, this is her second appointment with me. She came to me 45 days ago because she wanted me to remove her protective style that she had in, and she wanted to start her natural long hair journey and learning how to take care of her hair. Well, I showed her exactly how she can retain moisture because her hair was very dry. I showed her how she can retain length, and I gave her a style that will work with her lifestyle. And baby, when I say it is a drastic difference, I can't wait for you guys to see this before and after in such a short period of time. In the beginning of the video, you seen me use the Main Magic Detox Clay Treatment because that thing be making people hair grow. It be reducing frizz and it makes those curls pop by conditioning your hair. And after I did that, I gave her a steam treatment, gave her a mask, did the whole 9 on her hair, and now I'm finger detangling using my deep nourishing oil. Make sure you finger detangle properly before you pull that detangling brush out. I know a lot of people be running out of patience and be trying to just get through with wash day, but you have got to slow down and smell them roses, babe, and you have got to finger detangle, feel for them knots. One tangle can have like 10 hair strands wrapped around it, and you don't want to yank that out with the brush. You got to feel for it first, then pull the brush out to check. Now let's talk about the difference in just 45 days. Now I'm gonna need you to look with your good third eye, okay? So you could spot the difference. It's small, but it's significant. As you can see on the left-hand side before, she had a lot more frizz. Her hair seems a lot more dull, and it seems dry. Now, after getting proper instructions on how to use hydration and natural products and basically leaving her hair alone in protective style, as you can see on the right hand side, her curls look more defined. Her hair looks more juicy. And this is the same process after I've washed the hair and done a detox treatment on both sides. So I'm using the same products, but you clearly see a difference. Do you see how puffy and fuzzy her hair is on that left-hand side? You would think that her texture is a whole different texture or a whole different head. That's what I'm talking about. You see, when I say them products from Main Magic Products at Cocaknotz.com be working, baby, it be working. Just use some water, use your finger, and use these natural products and develop a routine that's going to work for your lifestyle. You have got to be hydrating your hair a couple times a week, sealing in moisture a couple times a week. Now you see I got to pull that measuring stick out because I have a good feeling that her hair going to start getting thicker and longer real quick, and I got to record this thing for y'all. So as you can see, she got a good head of hair. So this time next year, if she's still coming to me, I hope so, because I do like her and I think her hair like my hands. But if she's still coming to me, her hair should be, shoot, 16 inches at least. This time next year, she's going to have a whole lot of hair, honey. Now, we're going to put her hair in one of my favorite protective styles. But before we do that, girl, I got to butter up her hair and oil her hair down because we got to keep it moisturized. We got to seal in that moisture. I know a lot of y'all hairstylists do not be doing this step at all. They just go straight into styling. They probably put a little bit of maybe some heat protectant in your hair, maybe. And that's it, girl. They just start braiding. They just go straight into your style. They just start gluing on some weave, or they start putting a wig on you. They don't even do this step. They don't make sure your ends are sealed. They don't seal your hair with natural butters and oils. I know, because I used to be a hairstylist who ain't do all of this, girl. And some of y'all hairstylists don't even wash your heads. And I understand. I understand, girl. But listen, times have changed. There are hairstylists out there like me that's gonna butter that thing up. Look how beautiful her hair is. It looks super thick. And can you believe when she first sat in my chair, she told me that her hair is boneless. I said, what? She said every time she do her twists or her plaits, her hair be looking boneless, like some boneless chicken. Girl, look at all this thick hair. Look at this. Child. So I'm going to use my Main Magic Growth Oil. It's my thickening oil. This thing is a thick oil, and it's going to thicken up your hair and make your hair even thicker. So I'm going to butter up her hair some more, seal her hair completely before we start this protector style. Now, the protector style that she's going with is box braids. Girl, I love me some box braids. I believe box braids is one of the #1 hairstyles that's going to help get your hair long if you want to do a hair extension hairstyle. It gives you access to your scalp. You're able to moisturize your hair. You're able to seal it. You're able to do so much with box braids, and it's very versatile. You can do buns. You can do half up, half down. You can do all those things with box braids. As long as you don't make them too heavy or too tight and too long, it's perfect. You can keep it in for months and you can get some good growth out of it. So she decided to go with traditional box braids using hair extensions. I love box braids down. I can't wait till I find the perfect human hair texture that mimics Cocaknotz, but it's hard finding that, and it's hard finding it at an affordable price. So today we are going to be using synthetic hair extensions. I am mindful and I try to limit it with all that, research that came out recently. Is it highly dangerous using it once in a while? No. Is it completely harmless? No. But at the same time, I understand accessibility and affordability, and it is what it is. Girl, we're going to use it today, and she okay with it, and it's going to look good, and everything going to be all right. I've been asking my subscribers lately how they really feel about their hair, and I always get messages that start out like this. I love my natural hair, but... I like my natural hair, but I love my afro hair, but, and that but is so loud because I get it. It's not that we don't love our natural hair and we don't like it. It's just that it comes with a lot. And I feel like that's what that but means. But it gets dry, but it tangles, but it shrinks. It's always something, very much something. So I get it. A lot of people would love their hair, but they wish it was longer. They wish it was softer. They wish it wasn't so dry. And I want to let you know that that's not your hair. That's just the condition of your hair. Don't trust the condition of your hair. You have got to work on the potential of your hair. And I'm not talking about that same potential that the men be talking about. You know how when you meet a broke man and he ain't got no car, he ain't got no job, he got a whole bunch of baby mamas, and he talking about all these big dreams he gonna have and all these things he gonna do, and you believe him and he don't do none of those stuff. He still broke, still ain't got no car years later, and still ain't about nothing years later. He's still in the same condition you found him in, maybe even worse, and then he brought you down to that condition and made you worse. We ain't talking about that type of potential. We talking about your hair's real potential. I know a lot of us would love our hair if we were able to see that its full potential, tailbone length, full. Very much full, because you stop ripping your hair out because you learn a finger detangle. You learn how to moisturize your hair so your hair is no longer dry and dull. Your texture, you fell in love with it because you actually get to see your real hair texture. Yeah, If you were able to see your hair's full potential, you would fall in love with your hair because you are perfectly made. Your hair texture is perfect for your features and perfect for you. There is no mistake. Anywho, I am done. I'm just putting in some growth drops so we can get some more growth going on. These braids are the perfect density and the perfect length for her to continue to retain length. I will keep you guys posted on her journey. Remember, long hair is your destiny and big hair is your birthright.